what it do? Back again. Super Smokers, best of both worlds. Hello, beautiful ladies, once again. Yeah, subscribe to us, help us out. We amateurs, but we trying to do our thing. All my niggas out there, what it do too. Right. Give us love, show us love. We gonna try going on this joint for you one time, alright? We tripping. And yes, we always got a fucking joint rolled up in every video. I got it. What's up, bitch?
Track eater, the pistol squeezer. You play with me, I'ma have your ass down on the ground leaker. I'm a real nigga, must be speaking to the deacon, cause he done told me praise the Lord every fucking weekend. I got that pack on me, I'm finna sell the block, but everybody talking like they finna move some rocks. I got a couple problem cause of windy couple blocks. A couple motherfucking bitches make them pussies pop. I hit the club, I spend the cash, me and V got them chains, spend 100 stacks. It ain't nothing to a boss, nigga, watch me play. Watch your motherfucking mouth, young Ray Gunplay, get 'em.
Check up in my stairs, see my bucks is up. 100,000 in my attic, what the fuck is up?
What's up, man?
Nigga try to come for mine, yeah, I'm killing him.
Smoke.
I'm getting him and a couple of his friends. We don't give a fuck, riding in a black Benz. Pulling up in your hood, and I'm tinted. I can't see what's about to get you gone.
Always on a mission, I proceed to get cheese. Fuck with me, then you'll be on the ground over D. I don't fuck with no feds, it ain't all up in my red gel. I might fuck your bitch, cause she all up in my payroll. I be on my cash, nigga, I be on my cash. If I see you in my way, then that gun and that mask, the only thing you gon' see right before I kill your ass. Smoking butts when my nigga visual posted in the mash.
Trash talk, nigga, I ass talk, niggas. These niggas talk a lot of shit, but I will stack figures. You talking like a bitch, but I done fucked your bitch. Matter of fact, don't believe me, better check this shit. Take a look at the text messages. When she looking for me, I be in my crib chilling to myself. She feeling lonely. She said you can't cut it, you ain't doing the business. So she calling me, talk about no witnesses.
He be trippy, and I be movie. And all about my action like I'm niggas shooting. You know I be rolling with them niggas and them niggas grouping. I be with them niggas that be dropping every day and doing it. I proceed, and I don't do the motherfucking talk to the motherfucking fed B. I'm riding around every day, window down. I'm smoking on that shit, acting like a clown. I'm glad I got Visa beside me. He told me that he love and he won't leave. And if a nigga trip, then it will be. But it gotta be. Understand me?
Rolling through your block, here's me and Ray. We tell you niggas you don't wanna fucking play. This my niggas, so you know he got me 100 grand. Matter of fact, nigga, this is my fucking man's. I don't give a fuck if a nigga gotta talk. Me and Ray will lay your ass down, talked out. Nigga, what you talk about? Hit you with a right lighter. Lay your ass down, man, turn out all the lights.
Trap hard, middle of the night, selling white. Me and Visa might find a bitch and then might fuck your wife. Chilling in the fucking crib. How I feel, I'm feeling dead. Cause these blunts to the head, kush rolled up. Niggas know the fucking procedure when they see us rolling through in the sixer. And I ain't talking about the one that you seen before. Different whips every day. That's why I be claiming though. Get cash, I love money, better watch your mouth cause ain't shit funny. I'm a real nigga.